Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Get the server name, IP4 address, and port such as 19,132 before starting. Open your message or hosting panel to copy the exact address string. Confirm the server runs Minecraft Bedrock Edition and matches your app version. Check for any required password or whitelist and write it down. Note any password, whitelist status, or max players like 10 before joining. Make sure your mobile is on the same network as a LAN server if needed. Open Minecraft on mobile and tap Play, then Servers or Add Server. Tap Add Server to open the server entry fields and avoid editing existing entries. Enter a friendly name so you recognize the server on the list. Paste the IP4 address precisely into the address field to avoid typos. Enter the port number 19,132 in the port box when required by the host. Choose Bedrock Edition type if prompted and tap Save to store the server. If connection fails, ensure mobile firewall or router allows UDP port 19,132. Restart your router and mobile device after changing port or firewall settings. Update Minecraft to the same version as the server and retry joining to avoid protocol errors. For LAN servers, connect mobile to the same Wi-Fi network as the host computer or console. If prompted for a password, paste it exactly and press Join to enter the server world successfully.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.